What's up, gangsters? It's your boy Cheese God, highly caffeinated and ready to online date. I am here with another tubular video for you guys. And basically today we're gonna be doing the other remix. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I think it was pretty easy. Okay. I'm doing this. Okay. I'm doing this because last time I did like a rhythm heaven video, it easily got turned into one of my most viewed videos with 13 views. It would be cool if it got like quadruple the amount of views than my other video, because that would be super cool. Please. Yay! Okay. Tambourine. I have a plasma ball on my desk right now, and because I have a widescreen, it's a pain in the ass. I don't know. No. Shit. I would like a good enough. But still just okay. Okay, oh yeah, this one, okay. Board meeting. awkward meeting with a bunch of pigs and a tall lady. Please just be decent, please. Aww. I think this isn't gonna be the hardest. Oh my god. I just woke up like 2 hours ago. I just woke up like 2 hours ago, right? Like at 9. I'm really tired. Oh my god. Please, just a good enough. That's all I want. Please. Yes! Yes! Thank Galio Jilly. Business is turning around. Yay! Okay, Monkey Watch. What's up with this game and cute looking monkeys? I'm not saying I have a problem with it, but just really interesting to think about.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Just like pre-algebra. I need more. Oh man. A blimp of a monkey? Yeah, I think I'll have to do this one again. Like, this was not a good one. Yeah, this was not a good one. Ugh. Yeah, but yeah, I guess. Yeah, they were sad. It was the monkey's fault. Why would you even get like a watch with high-fiving monkeys in them? Is there like do you get like street credit from that? Like why would you even want this? Like, I feel like it would be kind of animal cruelty. Don't you think?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please, good enough. Please say good enough. Please. Please. Yay! Now I finished the remix and this video is finished. And I can get to editing it. Spring break is so cool. I can do whatever the hell I want and be tubular. Can be tubular, radical. Cowabunga, dudes. I love being a turtle. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll have to redo this one, dude. Yeah. You played like a level 1 unhatched egg. Oh man. I bet it's gonna be like a rooster if I do it really good. Like a really cool rooster or a fried egg. I prefer like scrambled eggs because not only are they faster, but they're pretty easy to make.